Now stay tuned for Platinum Television's Pulse on America, where we bring you the latest in educational, consumer, and business information that's right for your lifestyle.
Welcome to today's special edition of Pulse on America. I'm Wayne Stavsky. Alternative fuels strive to succeed on many scales, including emission levels, economic costs, availability, and the potential to reduce oil consumption. One of the most commonly used alternative fuels worldwide is propane. Also known as liquefied petroleum gas, autogas, or LPG, propane is a byproduct of natural gas processing and crude oil refining. Nearly 6.5 million Americans use propane as their primary heating fuel. It can be used in cooking on many barbecues, portable stoves, and it can power cars, buses, forklifts, and generators. With that in mind, our guest today is Todd Hendrix of Hendrix Industrial Gas Trucks, Inc. Welcome, Todd. Todd, why is propane such a valuable resource in this country?
In my opinion, propane is a valuable resource in this country for many reasons. First off, 90% of it's produced in the U.S. In the year 2000, we imported more than 53% of our petroleum. Propane is clean burning. It's non-toxic to soil or water. Compared to gasoline, it creates less smog-producing hydrocarbons, less carbon dioxide, and less carbon monoxide.
Your company, Hendrix Industrial Gas Trucks, Inc., exemplifies the benefits of propane. Tell us more about it.
My father, Cleve Hendrix, was a pioneer in this business. He founded the company in 1950. Since then, we've been designing and manufacturing and distributing propane and natural gas conversion kits. These kits are used to convert gasoline-powered engines to run on propane, such as ones used in generators, forklifts, stationary engines. Converted everything from a 3-horsepower engine all the way up to a 1,500 horsepower generator. If it has a gasoline engine in it, most likely we can convert it to propane.
How difficult is it to convert a gasoline-powered generator to propane?
The Hendrix kit, we feel, has taken most of the guesswork out of the conversion. They're all pressure tested, leak checked, and flow tested. All of our kits follow the National Fire Protection Agency Pamphlet 58 codes. This ensures the end user safety.
So how does this work? Let's say I'm living in Florida and I'm preparing for hurricane season. I have my gasoline-powered generator, which I just bought, and want to convert it to propane. What should I do?
Actually, you bring up a good point about our conversions. They're a perfect option for people living in parts of the country that experience long power outages. Most houses are either heated by either propane or natural gas. Either one of these fuels can be used to convert your generator. By doing so, you will alleviate having to store gasoline, waiting in long lines, or even getting gasoline if it's available. When you order a Hendrix kit, we're going to ask you a number of questions. The type of generator it is, make and model of the engine, the type of fuel you're going to be using, where the generator is going to be located. Then we can select the perfect conversion for your specific application.
You also manufacture kits to convert gasoline-fueled forklifts to propane-fueled. Why forklifts?
Back in the early 50s, my father designed the first aftermarket propane conversion kit for forklifts. He used to travel around the country putting on seminars for large companies, showing them by converting their forklifts from gasoline to propane, they would reduce their harmful exhaust emissions by over 90%. We're also addressing another problem the forklift industry is having, and that's back and shoulder injuries due to loading and unloading the propane cylinder. At Hendrix, we've designed and developed a bracket that we call the back saver. This bracket allows the tank to swing out to the side, pull a pin, and it will tilt down closer to the floor, making it easier to unload the cylinder, not having to have to pick it up as far.
Well, Todd, thank you for joining me today and introducing us to the benefits of propane and how your company, Hendrix Industrial Gas Trucks, is paving the road for tomorrow's future in natural gas.
Well, thank you very much for having me.
If you would like to learn more about Hendrix Industrial Gas Trucks, Inc., call 1-847-526-1700 or visit them online at www.hendrixsystems.com. Thank you for joining us today on Pulse on America. I'm Wayne Stavsky.